This is Anthony with AA Sewer Inspection here at 11855 Southwest 9th here in Beaverton. And we're right next to the front door going into a 4-inch ABS cleanout. Looks like a transition to cast iron here at 35 feet. Now concrete at 37. Looks like we get some damage and some roots here at 38. And I'll go ahead and locate this on the way back. More roots. Ooh. Very large root ball. I'm not sure if I'll make it through this one here. More roots here. Okay, here we are at 55 feet is a city connection. I'm going to go ahead and locate this and mark this with a green paint. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to locate the section past the ABS plastic where the roots, there's root balls, root intrusions, possible damage, and almost complete obstruction. We'll mark this in green, otherwise suggested repair.